Here's a simple makeup for the weekend using products from Look Fab Forever, starting off with Continuous Cover Foundation in 02. Then applying Smooth Out Eye Prime on my eyelids to even colour and prep my skin for my eyeshadow. Under my eyes, I'm using Concealer 02 and also applying that anywhere where I have shadows or little broken veins. On my cheeks, I'm using Fabulous Blush in Peach Cream, applying with a big soft brush. Next, I'm using the medium colour on the Warm Browns eyeshadow trio just on my lids, and then one of their new soft pencils in Soft Grey to create a perfectly imperfect eyeline. I've also put this inside the lower lid. Using the same brown I used before for my brows and just a little bit under the eyes, and then Instant Bright Highlighter using the Roseberry lip liner pencil before lastly applying Soft Coral lipstick.